All right, guys, so we're doing a 24-hour fast here. Started right now at noon on Thursday, going to noon on Friday. So I'm gonna kind of document the process here. Had a pretty big breakfast, took my vitamins right before, and I'll kind of show you pictures. I set up a timer on the iPhone that has a timer up to a full 24 hours. So there's a countdown, so you can always monitor it. Gotta drink a lot of water. So we're an hour in. It's pretty easy. So far, so good. Just drinking water and watching the timer go down on the iPhone. It's pretty funny. All right, I'll keep you guys updated. For me, this seems to work. I get Chick-fil-A ice. Always get a bag of ice from Chick-fil-A. More like their ice. Just random. So when I'm drinking my water, when I need to chew on some, I'll chew on some ice. I know it's bad, but I do it. Bye-bye. About to walk in here. This could be a disaster. 3 hours in. Bye-bye. So kids want food. So hot dog. One finger in front of me. Just having pizza. They're happy. But I gotta watch them eat. Sadly.
You don't have to.
Yeah, I do.
That's
Only 4 hours in. So 5 hours in now. Definitely more grumpy than I was. Hard to watch. Hard to watch the kids eat without you like touching anything. They always have leftovers. You just gotta toss it. All right, here we go. 5 hours in. We'll make it. Go to bed early tonight, and then you just got a few hours tomorrow. So it shouldn't be too bad. All right, bye. So about a little past 8 hours now. It's 8:20. Felt a little colder, so I had to put a sweatshirt on. It is a little colder outside too, but I think temperature-wise, body temperature might be changing. But it's been pretty easy, honestly. You think about food more, but if you can get past that, dinner time-ish time, where everybody's eating and you just kind of skip out on it, it's not bad, and I feel like I'm gonna go to bed in a couple hours, so as long as I don't snack now, don't do anything and then just go straight to bed, wake up, and then you got like 4 or 5 hours. It's not bad. So I think it'll be all right. I think we'll make it. I think this time period actually works really well. Go noon to noon for a 24-hour fast. And then if you can push it even longer, it's even better. If you can get to 36 hours, 48 hours would be great. But I think if you do this 24-hour, like once a week, you can make a substantial difference in your weight loss journey. So we're starting it out. We'll see how it goes. I have a feeling this is going to be my go-to move. Once a week, go noon to noon. Won't feel as bad and definitely will help out in the long run. All right, till later. So we got 2 hours left. Feeling pretty good. Not hungry at all, honestly. It ends at noon, but I'm probably gonna go to 1. That's our usual lunchtime, and I'm gonna get something light, just kind of get back into it slowly. But just letting you guys know, this is very doable. I think if I can do it, anybody can do it. Let's go. So we made it 24 hours, actually 25 hours. I waited till 1. I'm heading out to get lunch now, eat something healthy. But it wasn't bad at all, guys. It was actually pretty easy, to be honest. 12 to 12, used the timer, helped. I think the biggest challenge was when I went to Costco. You guys will see that at the beginning. And that was pretty challenging the first few hours. But once you got through that hurdle, it got really easy. Once you passed dinner time, just knew, got to drink water, get to bed. Got up this morning, drank more water, had a cup of coffee, and that was about it. So it was pretty easy, honestly. I feel I can go even longer. But I'm here if you guys need help, if you want any thoughts, questions, how to challenge it. It was pretty easy. I feel really good. I think I'm going to do this every week and see how it goes. All right, bye.